Welcome back to PureHealth channel, where we strive to bring you information about foods and herbs for a healthy lifestyle. On today's video, we're going to talk about lemon cucumber infused water. If you're not familiar with lemon cucumber infused water, you might be wondering what it is. Great question. By the end of this video, you'll have the answer, along with insight into what it does for your body, how to make it, and scientific research. Lemon cucumber water is a refreshing, detoxifying beverage made by infusing slices of lemon and cucumber in water. Both ingredients are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making this drink a perfect combination for hydration, detox, and overall health. The subtle tang of lemon complements the cool, crisp flavor of cucumber, creating a light and refreshing taste. What can lemon cucumber water do for you? Lemon cucumber water offers several health benefits. Hydration. Staying hydrated is key for maintaining overall health, and adding cucumber and lemon boosts the water's nutritional profile. Detoxification. Both cucumber and lemon help to flush out toxins and promote liver function, aiding the body's natural detox process. Skin health. Vitamin C from lemons and silica from cucumbers promote radiant skin, reducing inflammation and preventing acne. Weight loss. Drinking this water can enhance metabolism, reduce bloating, and curb cravings, aiding weight management. Antioxidant boost. The drink is rich in antioxidants, which help to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. If you like what you are hearing so far, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Remember, good health is the greatest treasure one can possess. Making lemon cucumber water is simple. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, and 2 liters of water. Instructions: slice the lemon and cucumber thinly. Add them to a pitcher of water. Let it infuse in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours or overnight for a stronger flavor. Enjoy chilled for maximum refreshment. Scientific results about lemon and cucumber water. Several studies highlight the benefits of both lemons and cucumbers. Rich in vitamin C, studies show that lemon water can improve digestion, support immune health, and act as a natural diuretic. Vitamin C is also linked to reduced skin aging and the prevention of certain illnesses. Research demonstrates that cucumbers help with hydration, as they are composed of over 90% water. They also contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which can contribute to better skin and digestive health. Lemon cucumber water is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a natural way to support hydration, detoxification, skin health, and even weight loss. Backed by scientific research, this simple beverage can easily become part of your daily routine to promote overall wellness. So, take the first step toward a healthier lifestyle by incorporating lemon cucumber water into your day. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle naturally involves following a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and staying well hydrated. Thank you for watching.